So here in this video, we have problem number 11, and we are solving this literal equation for y. How do we solve this equation for y? Let's see. Let me rewrite this. So let me rewrite this. 2 plus a sixth y is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, so we want to solve for y. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to get rid of everything that's there. Whoops, not the y itself, but everything else. So we want to solve for y by getting rid of all of this and putting it over to the other side. We have to do that, but we can't just do it all at once. We have to do it step by step. So let's first subtract by 2 on both sides. And this is going to give us 1/6 y is equal to 3x plus 2. So negative plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. We have then 1/6 y. Now let's get rid of this 1/6. We can multiply this whole thing by 6. This will cancel. Y will be equal to 6, 12, 18x plus 6 and 12. And this is an equation. This is actually a nice equation. And why is this a nice equation? Why did we even want to do this? Well, the reason why we want to do this is because we are trying to rewrite this equation in a certain form. So I know this problem asks to solve for a certain variable, but really what we're doing effectively is writing this equation in a form that is really helpful to and really useful to internalize and to analyze, because this form is actually the slope intercept form. This is going to be one of the most useful forms in all of mathematics, especially in algebra. You're going to learn this in future videos, but this form is just y is equal to mx plus b. Notice that this form matches this form. In this case, m is going to be equal to, in this case right here, so let me draw an arrow. M is equal to 18 in this case. And b is equal to 12. So we have our m and our b's, and this is the slope-intercept form. Now, why is this specific form really useful? Because y equals mx plus b is the equation of a line. So this is an equation of a line. And I will be covering this in detail in future videos. So this is a line. And m is the slope. M is the slope of this line. And b is the y-intercept. Or basically what the y-intercept is where we cross the y-axis. The y-axis. So yeah, that's super useful. So this equation, this form is super useful to us in mathematics, because we can analyze the equation a lot better. And that's essentially what we are doing in this problem. We are rewriting it in this usable, important form.